medicine वालों, today let's quickly understand Scope DX. The Scope DX is the combination cough syrup contain dextromethorphan and hydrobromide 10 mg and chlorpheniramine melted 4 mg per 5 ml. So what does it do? Dextromethorphan helps the suppress the cough relief fail. Chlorpheniramine is an antihistamine that helps with allergy-related symptoms such as the sneezing and runny nose. That's why Scope DX is mainly used dry irritating cough rather than cough producing lots of mucus. So one important point, it may causes drowsiness, dizziness, dry mouth, or so be carefully with the driving and avoid alcohol. And remember, do not take more than recommended dose. Scope DX is a prescription medicine, so use it according to your doctor advice. If you find this information useful, like, share and subscribe for more simple medicine explanation. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.